Hello, my name is Thomas Dickinson. I'm here to draw Photoshop for Unit 2. You see, you go to File, and you go and click on Place in Bend. This is over here. I got a lot of pictures over here. But right now, I'm here to click on the flower, the purple flower. You can resize it if you like. As long as if you make it good. And I'm here to copy this photo just in case something went wrong. Now you go to Object Selection Tool. Press Hold, and you click on Object Selection Tool. You have to find the perfect object to click on and select. I'm here to choose the flower. And here we go. You go and select, then you go to Modify. You want to click on Feather. Feather radius is going to be 3. If you also want to, you can go to Modify and also click on Smooth. Okay, I got 5. I'm just gonna pick 3 for now. Then you go to this camera over here. Sorry, the mouse is clicking. Over here. And you see this? This is the object that you selected. Yeah, for example. Ta-da! Now you want the background to be black and white. This is over here. And here we go. Black and white. You can make it darker or lighter, whichever you want. Let's hit to make. Here we go. And now, you want to add a text. This is gonna make mine red. I have to find the perfect text for it. Just have to find one that suits. Not that one. Let's go ahead and choose. Pretty hard to choose. How about papyrus? First layer you want to click on F. L O W E, and last but not least, R. At that, they move it closer to the flower. O in place, then my W, then my E, and then my R. If I or back at the object, you can't do so, but you have to do it when place it where you can see it. Well, I hope you have a good time watching this. This is Thomas Dickinson, and hope you have fun watching it again.